When we set out to create Bodu knives, we wanted a knife that would have great hand feel, that would be beautiful to look at, and that would last a lifetime. Bodu knives are really different. We wanted to make something that people would catch their eye.
I met David 18 years ago, and we think exactly alike. We've got this three-dimensional mind meld. When I come up with a new design, I like to think with my hands. I do a lot of sketching, and then I take them into CAD, working in virtual reality to come up with the actual form that is the perfect embodiment of what we're looking for.
Brian and I have a certain vision of how to make things. They tend to be organic looking, durable, and they feel great in your hands.
It's all Class A surfaces with these smooth, beautiful reflections. As you move it, you can see the light kind of play across it. And when you got it right, you just know it.
I picked Damascus steel because it's both beautiful and it makes for a very strong edge that'll last a long time.
The most important feature of a chef's knife is how well that knife is going to hold its edge.
The blades are forged with 73 layers of Damascus steel, melted down, and they're pounded in a forge, cut to shape. The handles themselves are sand cast and then finished. The two parts are then welded together and polished.
The grip on the Bodu chef's knife is ergonomic, if you will. It feels good in your hand.
Most knives have a separate handle that's attached with rivets. These are all places for bacteria to form. Bodu knives have a stainless steel unibody design that allows them to go in the dishwasher.
What sets that Bodu knife apart for me is just the look and feel. It's extremely sexy is the way that I would describe that knife, and handsome.
It's like creating sculpture that is accessible to everybody and they can use it every day, and that is the rewarding part. That's why I love what I do.
I'm super attracted to the visual of it. I'm a designer, so I'm obviously attracted to beautiful things.
I really feel like this goes with almost any kind of kitchen decor.
I love that they have the metal handle.
The Damascus steel, well layered, beautiful, beautiful knives. Very, very heavy duty feel knife that feels like they're gonna last a lifetime.